Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers to...
Okay, what's up, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Now, there's a little, okay, let me pause. So there's just a little bit going on with, hold on. Kaden, pause that real quick. Okay, so there's just a little bit going on with this second video of the room change. Now, when I first recorded, I have everything, there's so many videos, so many different, it's just confusing. So I'm just going to put it all together in this one video as planned, but with more direction. So you guys, I think you guys saw me put the Paris sign up. I think you guys seen me putting this area together a little bit, which it's getting there, you guys. It's getting there. I may show you guys a little sneak peek because it's not fully done with that side, but my room is coming along. It really is coming along, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of clips of everything that I was putting together for this video. So it's going to look crazy, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of direction and tell you guys what's going on. So before I do that, I'm going to show you guys my vanity, because I've done something different with my vanity, as well as that space over there. So with my vanity, she's cleaned off because I have not seen my vanity like this in a long time. So I have a whole bunch of candles. So what I decided to do, I decided just to use this as my candle holder because I have so many candles, as you can see. It's just a lot. And I have this one burning here. And I also have a candle on the other side. But this is what my vanity looks like right now. I think I'm going to add lights around the rim. Not sure yet. That's a mess, but this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to show you guys that area. Don't mind this mess, you guys, because as you guys know, I'm figuring out my room, redoing it, so don't mind the mess. But just know this is coming together. Let me show you guys what this would look like without the 3 bags just sitting here. So this is kind of how I want it to look on top. Very aesthetically pleasing, you know, with a pop of color. And this is the other candle that I was talking about. But with these bags here, I'm going to actually have them hanging on the wall right here, but not hanging from the straps, on an actual stand like that. A lot of clothes, so don't mind. These are all clean clothes. I just have to figure it out. But I also have these things to put up. Just don't know where I'm putting them up at. But going on in my room, and it looks so crazy and so dirty, but it's just because I'm trying to get my room together. Next thing is getting the rods to go on my closet so I can actually hang up these that my mother got me for Christmas. They're window panels, but they're gonna go on on my closet. You know what I'm trying to say. And as well as I need to paint that bed, and I still need to finish painting my walls. So there's just a lot that I need to do. And I'm going to now play the other clips, and hopefully it all makes sense, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Call it spring, like everything's new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue. But I call like everything's new. The sunburst flowers